Hello mga Megs! Share ko lang pala yung mga pa-orders ko ng Teacher's Day. In my almost 6 years of making cakes, ngayon pa lang ako magpapa-order for this occasion. Kasi in my previous years, tataon naman na marami akong pa-orders ng mga customized cakes. Pero this time, pinaghandaan ko talaga yung mga pa-orders ko. Isang gabi ko lang naman ginawa yung lahat ng to. 7 PM ako nag-start. Then, natapos ako around 3 AM. O diba, pinaghandaan daw. Nangarag kasi ako sa mga pa-orders kasi akala ko yung Teacher's Day is on October 5. Pala, October 3 yung ibang school, then yung iba naman is October 4 kasi October 5 wala daw pasok. Mabuti na lang, prepared na yung mga gagamitin ko at saka yung mga ingredients. What I sold on that day are the following: 30 pieces cupcakes in a box, 20 pieces bento cakes, 5 pieces cakes in a tub, then lastly, 30 pieces donut pop. Comes with a cute packaging, then dedication and a thank you card. Thank you pala sa lahat ng mga bumili at nag-avail ng mga pa-orders ko. And happy Teacher's Day to all teachers out there. Yun lang!